Hey, I'm Paul Sponcia. I'm the CEO of the IT company. All of our videos are really designed for one thing, to help business leaders understand how to align IT with their business strategy so that they can go further faster. Further faster means make more money and have more fun. That's ultimately what we want you to do. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.
And that's something I wanted to go over next is the integration of apps into Teams. If there's no more questions about this, but this little plus when you're inside of a channel, you see there's always a plus up here, competitor intel, there's a plus right here. So if I click on the plus, it gives me the ability to add what they call a tab, where I can add both just kind of a set number of apps in here, which are basically your Microsoft apps, or there's all these other things that you can add in here, which I don't use any of them to my knowledge, but there's some cool things that you can do. One of those is you can add, if you're using SharePoint separately from this too, you can add a document library. If you have a standard Excel file, you can click Excel and you can create a brand new file if you want. The other thing that you can do is you can actually add a specific Excel file in here and have it pinned up to the tab automatically so that you can go right to it. You saw me add planner. You can add a website, which is what we did on the competitor intel. If you click on this, it goes to our website, I believe. Oh, that's cool.
We changed it.
Oh, that's right. We just actually put a new website up. So, so there's that. You can add other things in here, Visio diagrams, wiki, OneNote. We do that a lot. So when we're doing OneNote, we always typically have a OneNote file attached to each customer inside of our VCIO stuff. So really, really powerful way to do that. One of the things that we've done pretty extensively is integrated a tool called JotForm into here. I don't know if did we do anything, Cody? I can't remember.
I don't think we did.
We showed that in here or not. Let me grab, sorry, I should have done this already, but let me grab a JotForm file that I think will be really helpful to show everybody. One example of this is and I think we may have talked about this last time, but we make everybody fill out a COVID-19 form before they come on site to our office, just validating some of the basic information about each employee. If they've had a temperature or whatever. So I'm going to get that real quick.
So we stick that JotForm as a tab on the top of the group that everybody in the company has access to,
right?
So they can quickly do it.
If you create a new tab and click website, I'm going to put the and there's the URL. If I hit save, it's going to create this tab that actually has the form in it. How this has been really helpful for us is that we don't have to send the form and everybody has to have the form bookmarked somewhere. They can just go to the general, it's actually the way ours is laid out, the general tab in business operations and admin, go to the COVID-19 form, and they can fill the form out. And this is just a web form. There's nothing super special about it, but what it does is it allows this for us. We're asking the questions of like, when are you coming on site? Are you going to a customer location? Have you ever been tested? Have you had a fever? All these normal questions that we should ask, and then submit. And it's built right in. So that has been super powerful for us. We do this a lot, especially on the sales and marketing side, because we have a lot of accountability things that we utilize where we fill out forms for sales orders or for when we have meetings with people or whatever. And it allows us to kind of centralize in the idea of creating a hub. It allows us to create a hub inside of our sales and marketing team where everything they need, even the commission, when they submit their commission, when they sell a deal, they submit it all directly through the system using JotForm directly integrated with inside of Teams. So it makes super, super helpful and eliminates a lot of confusion and frustration.